Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a little bit of a crossing tour. This is the Vine Street Railroad crossing in Fowler, California. So first signal, WRS brackets, Western Colon Hayes, second gen LEDs, and safe tran gate mechanism. Show you guys a little bit close up. Then we have a Rayco base and a Western Colon Hayes E-bell. The second signal, the safe tran brackets, Western Colon Hayes lights and LEDs, and a Western Colon Hayes gate mechanism, and another Western Colon Hayes electronic bell. That one has a Rayco base also. There's a track view west, track view north. Here is the relay case. Milepost 215.2. Dot number is 756864M. And there's the hotline number. And yeah, pretty much it for this crossing. It's a typical 1990s Southern Pacific install with changes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Over and out.